Hello and welcome to TimeLoaded Media, and this is my YouTube studio here, and this is my YouTube URL. As you can see, TimeLoaded Media. So I'm appealing. I got a feedback from YouTube review team about reused content when I applied for monetization a couple of days ago. So now I'm making an appeal, and I'm going to state categorically clear how I actually make my video. So I'm appealing this decision because I make all my videos from scratch without reusing someone else's video. I make my videos using an OBS studio and editing them by YouTube editor. So now I'm going to show you exactly how I get my YouTube keywords or topic for my YouTube videos. So this is, I use trends.google.com to actually get my keyword. All I simply need to do, I log into googletrends.com and then I input my topic. Let's say, for instance, how to get a free domain. So I search my keyword here. So let's see, this is my keyword, so I can actually compare with my YouTube search here to see what people actually searching for on YouTube. Okay, to actually search on YouTube, and I'll make this worldwide here. So as you can see, this is YouTube search too, and I think we've got a lot of searches here. So this is how I come up with my YouTube video ideas. And then when it comes to the editing, I simply use YouTube, and now all I simply need to do to edit my videos, after making my videos, I simply click on the content after uploading it, and then let's see, I click on the edit, the pencil icon here. Just a moment. Click on the pencil icon, and then as you can see here, this is editor. So I simply open it. I'll simply open the video and I click on the get started here. So this is YouTube editor. Previously it was classic editor, but now it has been reversed to just editor. So all I simply do to my YouTube videos, or how I edit them, I can easily add a track or music to my YouTube video, and I can actually add blur. I can blur certain parts of images that I use in my video, and here these are some other elements. I can add element here using the editor button here, and then all I simply need to do, I can easily trim my video. I can drag and then click on the trim where I actually want my video, where I actually want to trim my video. So now I use OBS Studio to record my video. So this is OBS Studio. So all I simply do is I click the OBS Studio here and I start. I can choose to stream my videos, or I record here. As you can see, I'm currently recording, and I can start the virtual camera. So all I do is I use OBS Studio to screen record my videos for my viewers. So my YouTube channel is all about how to reviews, make money online, and several things. I show people tutorials on how they can do things by themselves, show them how to make money online, how to solve their problem by making videos, providing solutions to their needs. Like this my video here, as you can see, I actually show them how they can create a YouTube channel from start. This is it, how to start. Let's click and open this. You see, so as you can see, how to start and set up a new YouTube channel, how to start a successful YouTube channel. This is how I make my video. I make tutorial videos to provide solutions to people searching on YouTube or on Google for a particular problem they are facing. So that is exactly how I come up with my YouTube ideas. I script my videos after getting my keywords from trends.google.com. I scripted, then I screen record my videos. So please, I will be very glad if you take a look at my channel again and probably